Hey, today I wanted to take you with me to Nordstrom Rack to see what they have in right now. So let's go visit my Nordstrom Rack. All right, so when you walk in, they have a bunch of accessories and stuff downstairs. This purse here was on clearance, so you can get it, and it came in these solid colors right here, and then in this multicolor one. I love the multicolor one, and if you can see the lining in the bag, it has the wording on it. That one wasn't on sale though, but it's not that big of a difference in the price for those two. This bag right here, so it's like the Sherpa bags, but this has like a shiny material in the middle there, and that one was about $200. They had some Easter items too out at Nordstrom Direct. I can't remember if I've ever seen Easter items out there, but this was about $30. And these are like cute little pieces that you can put on your shelves and things like that. And that one was about $20. So they were, about that price, about $20. Some of them a little bit more than $20. They had these really pretty pillows right here. So if you like to decorate with throw pillows, these were $30. These little cute guys right here. So they're metal, and then their little legs, they bobble around. Those were $17. So you can get Easter decor now too at Nordstrom Rack. This purse right here, another cute one, so $230 it is. I don't know if you're seeing the details on the fronts in the back right there where it lifts up right there. So I thought those were cute. And then it came in different colors as well. So you can get the brown, the black. Thought those were nice. These are nice little small bags. So if you're looking for just a cute toss and go everyday bag, that one was $142 for that one. This one right here, it's a different type bag. You can see it's kind of like a wallet because it zips all the way around. This one right here has a little zipper detail in front there, so you can get a lot of cute little bags. They have shoes. They didn't have a lot in my size though. They didn't have a lot in my size, but they had a lot of cute shoes out right now. So they had these slippers right here, or slides right here. They had this with like the thick heels, so you could wear this like a good office shoe or something like that. And that one was $160. This one right here, the clear style shoe, so everything is clear. You just had this strap there on that, and that one was on sale for $175. They have still some things for like fall, winter, so you can get boots and things still. So they had these right here, and those were on sale too for like $153, I believe. So you can get a lot of different finds right now because they're in between season. These slides right here were $80. These right here, the little nude, I think everybody needs a little nude shoe. That one was $200. So they have a lot of different designers from Gucci, Tory Burch. What else did they have? They have Versace, they have Jimmy Choo, just a bunch of different styles right now. These right here were for $250, and another nice nude shoe. This one right here, another $250. I love a loafer. If you show me a loafer, I love a loafer. So when I see this one right here, so it has kind of the two-tone look, Tory Burch, and then it has the wedge heel on it, and that one was $170 for that one. Again, none of them are in my size. This right here, so it's something different. I just picked it up because it was something different. So $200, and it's like this Sherpa kind of fur kind of boot, what have you. This one right here gave me like a retro vibe to it, and that one was about $260, I believe, for that one. And I like the color in the blue. Again, not in my size, so they didn't have a lot in my size. So if you see something in your size, I would advise that you grab it while you can. They had this boot right here, another one for about $250. So you can get a variety of stuff right now. These purses, and they had these in a bunch of different colors too. So they had that pretty green there, which I thought was nice. Then they have black with the contrasting trim right there. They had this pretty pink one right here. So just a bunch of different color Michael Kors purses. Some of them are slightly different, but they're kind of the same. Some of them are slightly different. These I thought were cute in this bright orange right here for $550. Thought those were cute. These, love them. And they kind of like had a sequence on the straps there. So $700 for those Gucci shoes. These right here, so they have the thick straps, and then the twisted rope there on those. These like metallic, like holographic kind of look to those. So like I said, a ton of different shoes. Another pair of the like loafers flats that you can get there. These, I love the color in little patent leather, and then they had the high heels, the platform heel on those. So you can grab those, and those are about like 150. They had some clothes. They had a ton of clearance, but it was crowded. I always seem to go to clearance when it's super crowded. So that one was just misplaced in the clearance, but they had a ton of clearance, different styles, different looks. So if you have time to go and check out the clearance at Nordstrom Rack, I would go check it out because they had a variety of different looks, different styles, different sizes. This dress right here I thought was super pretty. So you can see like the crochet mesh like detail. It has it just was so pretty. And it was on sale for $50. So you might want to grab that. That'd be a pretty spring dress. But like I said, it was crowded and I didn't want to, disturb too many people. They have the things behind the glass, so you'll have to ask to see those and get the prices because a lot of times the tags are hidden on those. You can get 70% off on some of this clearance. So they have a ton of coats that you can pick from. So if you're looking for a coat, you might want to grab that. They have the flannels, and some of these are like the shacket type look. So it's that heavy flannel that you can wear as a jacket, and they about like $17-18 for those. They had them in different colors. They had lighter weight ones. So if you love a good flannel, because they're good for layering and stuff like that, you might want to head over there and pick that up. These are another pretty pair of shoes that you might want to take a look at. So they have a little sparkle detail, only $70. Thought that was good. This is, I don't know if it's picking it up, a pretty lavender color. Love that. $70 for those. So those were great. Then you can get these right here. Another pretty one that you can go out with because it has like the sparkle detail. And these are only $30. So that's good. A pretty pink shoe. So this is kind of like, the velvet material, $40. That's what I love about Nordstrom Rack. You can get a variety. So you can get designer brands and then you can get lower price items. Love this blazer right here. So I don't know if it's picking it up, like the weave and the fabric there. Just a nice pretty blazer, and it was long, nice gold buttons on it. Just love that one. So if you are looking for blazers, if you're looking for pieces to put together, you can grab a lot of pieces right now. These jeans, just a nice pair of go-to type jeans. $33 for those, not bad at all. I love the wash on those. I love the little raw hem right there. They have cute little cardigan like sweaters. This one has the little lettuce hem detail on it, and again, only $30. So just a variety of picks. This little cute go-to look. So you can do this. You don't have to buy those exact pieces, but just I love when they display just an easy look. This purse right here, loved it because it has it was only $75 too, but it has like the wallet detail and stuff in it. I thought that was great. That shirt right there, so you can get this look. Like I said, you can recreate this look with different brands, but it's just something nice to toss and go. So you can get this look. You can get different type shorts. So that's what I said. I love the variety that you can pick up at Nordstrom Rack because you can go high end, you can go more affordable. You can just grab a bunch of different things when you go there. These right here, so I think these were about $220, and then it has kind of like that quilting stitch to it. This another retro look to me. So this is the Valentino, and then they are $200. So it has like the wood at the bottom and then the print there at the top. Another good pair of just flat toss and go shoes. They kind of give me that driving shoe look. So this one was $203. These right here, love the look in these. So there's just nice bright red. Love those so much. These right here, pretty, another pretty lavender right there. So I love a lavender look, and that one was $180. So you might want to grab those if you see them. These right here, so I love the little detail on top of those. Another Tory Burch, and this is like a classic type shoe for $220. Another good one that you might want to grab. Leather jackets, so they had a ton of faux leather jackets that you can pick from, and a variety of prices. So this one was about $46. Nice, clean, simple this burgundy one right here, another nice, clean, simple one. So they had just a variety to pick on. This one was about $60. They had them in, you can see, a ton of different colors. So if you do love to do a leather jacket, a faux leather jacket for spring, you might want to head over there. That one was $70. This one is another nice, simple look that you can go for. So it's just a black jacket, but it has, cute little details that you can get, and that one was about 110 for that one. And it has a hood because spring, the rain can pop up on you.